Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kale, and I have some specific food and flavor combinations that are known to pair well with kale. So if you're looking for some specific meal or recipe ideas using kale, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is long, so I've broken it into two parts, and this is part one. You can combine kale with apples and vinegar, like balsamic vinegar or apple cider vinegar, and walnuts. How about kale with avocados, dried apricots, lemon, orange, pistachios, raisins, and soy sauce? Or kale with avocados, mushrooms, and red onions? How about kale with balsamic vinegar, beets, feta cheese, and walnuts? Kale with beets and walnuts, kale with brown rice, garlic, ginger, and soy sauce, kale with butternut squash and tomatoes in a risotto. How about kale with cheese, fruit, and nuts? An example would be kale with cheddar cheese, apples, and almonds. Kale with chickpeas, feta cheese, and lemon. Kale with chickpeas and mushrooms. Kale with chilies, garlic, and ginger. Kale with chili flakes, garlic, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and pine nuts. Alright, that's the end of my list for part one. Stay tuned for part two. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.